Predictive analytics is a really exciting thing for us in Bolton, and we're probably at the start of a journey that I think we're going to be on for quite a long time. It's going to be quite an iterative process for us. The reason that I'm interested in it from a professional perspective is that I really want to understand how people live their lives in Bolton and how those lives feel, and what we, not just as a council and in local government, can do to make people's lives better, but also how we as partners across health and social care, our voluntary and community sector, and people themselves can understand what a life well lived means. So I think data is huge in that. I always think, like, if I needed to ring up the council for the first time because one of my parents had been diagnosed with dementia or something like that, that first contact with a service that you hope is going to help you is really important. And I think we as an organisation have a kind of moral responsibility to get ahead of the game on understanding not just how we respond to things that are urgent and pressing, but how we understand the context of people's lives and how we can provide the right support, the right help, the right advice at the right time, and work more cohesively across the range of services that we have and that our partners have. Certainly, if you take our integrated care partnership as an example, things like risk stratification are really important. How do we stop people from having falls that might remove 18 months off their healthy life expectancy? When somebody's initially struggling with their well-being or their mental health, how do we stop that from affecting other aspects of their life and help them to build kind of confidence and resilience in relationships at the right point? This isn't just about data. I think the real kind of way that we'll know that we're doing well at this is when we get to the point where we can bring people's stories and people's lived experience together with numbers to bring that data to life and to understand what this really feels like for people and what would be helpful for them. And we've been working with a cracking team from Agilisis on understanding where a lot of our data is, how we use it at the moment, and the potential that we could get from bringing some of those different data types together and building them into our engagement activity and starting to use them in a slightly more sophisticated way.